switching to IT or data science abroad as a non-CS student. Is it really possible? You studied mechanical or civil or electrical or maybe commerce, BB or even arts. And now suddenly you want to move into IT, data science, AI or cyber security and study it abroad. So the big question is that even allowed? Short answer. Yes, it is possible, but it's not automatic. And it's not for everyone too. This video is your honest, no sugarcoating guide on how non-computer science students can transition into the tech field through international education. Let's begin, but before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Flexible than India. In many countries, your bachelor's degree does not have to be 100% related to your master's degree, as long as you can prove logic and readiness for the change. International universities care about your motivation, your reasoning for the switch, your preparation, your basic technical understanding. It's about your future goals, not only your past subjects. That's why thousands of non-CS students successfully move into IT and data every year. But the key is how you do it. Now, who can realistically switch to IT or data? These students have a strong chance. Mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, mechatronics, commerce, BBA, management, mathematics, statistics, physics, architecture, design for UI UX plus data visual, biotechnology, pharmacy for data health. Now these students may struggle more and need pathway programs. Pure arts background without maths, non-technical diplomas, extremely low academic scores, but even they can enter through foundation or bridge programs in some countries. So the truth is, your background matters, but it does not have to control your future. Now the best countries for non-CS to IT data transition. UK offers conversion programs like MSc Data Science for non-tech, information systems, business analytics and IT management. Then comes on number 2, Australia. Great pathway options through graduate diplomas, extension programs, foundation courses. Thirdly, it's Germany and Europe offer applied data science, industry-linked programs and technical pathway bridging. Then comes on number 4, Canada, mostly through colleges and some universities with bridge programs. Then comes Dubai. Dubai has internationally affiliated tech programs in AI, cybersecurity, IT management, data analysis, and so on. So, yes, there are real global options that you can apply to. So, what you must do to make this switch successful? Just wanting it is not enough. Universities will check your commitment. You should do short-term certifications in Python, data analytics, or AI basics. Have a decent IELTS or Duolingo scores. Show mathematics background, especially for data and AI. Write a strong SOP explaining your transition. That why do you want to transition into it? Show how your background connects to tech logically. For example, mechanical plus AI equals to robotics or automation. Commerce plus data, business analytics plus fintech. Civil plus IT is equals to smart cities, BIM construction tech. Biology plus data, bioinformatics or health data. The switch must make sense. Random switch will lead to rejection. Logical switch increases acceptance chances. Now talking about the career outcomes. Is it worth it? Let's be practical. Graduates in IT and data abroad get hired in data analyst roles, business intelligence roles, software testing, web development, cyber security, machine learning assistant roles, digital transformation roles, and what not. average starting salaries globally in talk, if I'll say, so it is USD 50,000 to 95,000 per year, depending on country, level, and skill. So, yes, there is a real return on investment if done correctly. But it's not an overnight miracle. You still need to learn properly. Now, will your visa get rejected because of this switch? This is where many students panic. Visa officers reject cases mainly because of no logic in course change, poor documentation, weak SOP, low English scores, no career plan, no financial clarity. But if your transition is well explained, well documented, well planned, your visa chances remain higher and strong. Switching fields is not illegal, it just has to make sense. Now, who should not switch fields? Let's be honest. Don't do it if you hate tech and just want it for high salary. If you don't want to study or practice coding, then don't take it. You are doing it because of friends or social media. You should not. You hate problem solving and logic, but you are going for this course, it's not valid. IT or data requires constant learning, so only switch if you are genuinely interested, you are ready to upskill, you are committed for long term, or otherwise you will be unhappy even after going abroad. People change careers all the time. Doctors become data analysts, engineers become designers, commerce students become cybersecurity experts. The world is changing, and your career path is not a straight line, it's a journey. If you are ready to build new skills, prove your mindset, and take the transition seriously, then studying IT or data abroad as a non CS student is not only possible, it's intelligent. And if you need help choosing the right country, course, or pathway for your background, comment, switch, or just connect with us. Link is in the description below, or there's a QR on your screen at the end of this video which you can scan and connect with us. So do like this video. If you find it helpful, share it, comment below, and subscribe to us because your new career chapter is closer than you think.